Hello YouTube, this is ProLink doing another video. We're not doing a video review, we are doing a disassembly of the Sony Ericsson w810i. So I'm going to show you how to disassemble this phone. I'm not using this at the moment, I'm using my iPhone 3G 16GB. So I'm going to show you how to manage to open this phone if you need to change the screen or you need to change these keys, if you need to change any buttons at the sides, or you need to change the camera, or just the back side or the front side. You can also change almost anything. I think you get access to the whole phone if you do this. So, first step, take off this hatch, push it back, and it goes right off. You have your battery right here, which you probably know. So, take it off. There's your battery. There will be two screws here, which I've already took off, right there, and there will be two down here. Don't mind these yet. Take out those, and you need kinda a sharp screwdriver to do this. So take a sharp screwdriver to do this, and kinda push kinda hard down to not kill the screw, so you won't get in there again. So use a sharp screwdriver and push hard while you turn. So when you've done that, you will probably think you will destroy your phone now, but trust me, you will hold. You take your finger, your thumb, under here, you take your other two access fingers right there and push up. You push like, you need to say plop. Here you go, it's off. So when that's off, you see, no harm at all. So, and when that's off, your phone will look like this. And what are we going to do now? We're going to remove this, because if you don't remove that, you won't open your phone. So, here, you get two holes right there, and you get one hole up here. And it has these holder things, so you need to take a nail or something sharp, maybe a flat screwdriver, and push it in there, a small one, and push it in there until you feel it let loose. So now mine have let loose on that side. Maybe you can see it. I can see it right there. Yeah, I can see. And then that one needs also to be pushed out. And when you got that, it just goes right out. It looks like this. And that's how it looks. It's an antenna, something, I don't know, I don't care. So, you've gotten this far. Now you will need to remove these two screws to access your phone. So you will need a torque screwdriver, T6. And these ones are kind of easy to screw out. Just taking the screwdriver and keep on going until it's loose. Just connect it into the table and voila. So you do that on both screws. You see how it is there. So when those ones are off, mine is not off yet. Oh, it's off. Screws are gone. You need to remember to take your memory card out. Forgot that. Take out your memory card. This step will kill your memory card. Maybe if you push too hard. So open your memory card hatch. It needs to be empty. Put your finger in the memory card hatch and push. You need to push it up. And to push this up, damn, I dropped it. Sorry. To push this up, you need to put your nail or a sharp knife or something into the side, because there's these holder things right there too. So you take a sharp knife or something and you go like this until you hear those clicks. It means that it's loose. And when it's loose, your keyboard to your phone will probably just fall out, and your phone will look like this. The front is off, so now you can change your phone. So now we got this far. And why am I opening this phone? You can see this. I don't know if you can see the screen, but it's cracked. Maybe I can put the battery in to doesn't seem to work. I can try another battery. Let's see. Let's try this battery down. Yeah, that one worked. So, yeah, you see, cracked screen. Kind of sucks. So take out the battery again. You don't want any electrical shit something you're working on. And when you got to this far, it's easy to take off this keyboard of your phone, which is the buttons of your keyboard. It looks like this. You need to kind of lift this up. At the same time, you need to put your thumb on here and push that side up, so it goes off right like that. Remember that this connector to your keyboard will be attached right here, so you need to know that when you're putting it together. So now your keyboard is off. To take off your screen, you need your T6 Torx again. 2 screws up here. So you take the screwdriver and you screw it all together. Let's see, okay, this screw is off. I'm kind of fussed with this. So, now that the screen is off, you will see the connector is right there. So your connector will need to be taken off. Don't be frightened about it. It won't break. It's a good kind of small. So now your screen is off, so you can replace your screen. And if you want to replace your camera, which I haven't figured out how to get out yet, but I think yeah, anyhow, somehow you will be able to take this out. It is able. The connector is right there. This is the connector for that connector is the connector for your camera, because this one goes to there, which is there. You can also change your sounds. It's right under here, right under there. You have your memory card slot right here, so if you need to do some preparations there, do it. It's easy. It's not too much of a job. If you need to change any buttons, you can take these off right here. These buttons, you can take them off there, right in there. Just peel them off with something sharp. So now I'm going to put this together real fast and see if you can. I think you will do it manage yourself, so I'm going to try to do it as fast as I can. So first, connect your screen. I'm going to try to do this as fast as possible. So connect your screen, then screw your screen into place. I'm screwing this together so I won't lose any parts. So when you screw that one in, yeah, my Amazon is on. You need to put the connector for your keyboard. And when you're done that, you will let that one slide in there for the camera button. So connect the keyboard, camera button right there, and then you take your keyboard, put it in place, take your phone, put it right on top of it, and manage to open it, to push it together. Let's see. There we go, there we go. It's not breaking, it's just holding it now. So your front is back up, so let's take 2 screws that was sitting here. I don't think I can manage the time. I can try. I'm like soon done, so I wanna thank you for watching this video. Put this this back, and please subscribe or comment if you have any questions. This is something really easy you do. Remember to put these two screws back in place, and then your battery and your hatch, and you're done. Your phone is whole again. So thank you for watching this video. This has been disassembly of the w810i from Sony Ericsson. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helped you.